For years, I thought I was just short. I blamed genetics. I blamed my parents. I told myself, this is my height. Nothing I can do. But the truth was uncomfortable. I wasn't actually shorter. I was compressed, slouched, and misaligned. I spent hours sitting, looking down at my phone, working on a laptop, and walking with rounded shoulders. Over time, my posture collapsed. When I finally fixed this, something surprising happened. Within a few months, I stood almost 2 inches taller, without stretching machines, surgery, or gimmicks. Just posture correction. And it only took about 10 minutes a day. Let me explain how this works, and how you can do the same. What I did was restore the height I already had, but was losing every day due to poor posture. Your spine is made of vertebrae separated by discs. These discs compress when you sit poorly, slouch, or keep your head forward for hours. Over time, your body adapts to that position. Your default posture becomes shorter, tighter, and weaker. Most people lose 1-2 inches just from bad posture alone. The real problem isn't height, it's alignment. Here's what I was doing wrong. Stretching randomly didn't help. Cracking my back didn't help. Standing straight for 30 seconds didn't help. What worked was fixing 3 specific things consistently. Step 1. Decompress the spine. 3-4 minutes. Your spine needs daily decompression, not once a week, every day. I used hanging from a pull-up bar, doorway hangs, lying on the floor with knees bent and arms overhead. This allowed my spinal discs to rehydrate and expand. I didn't force anything, just relaxed and breathed deeply. This alone instantly made me feel taller and lighter. Step 2. Fix forward, head and rounded shoulders. 4-5 minutes. This is where most people fail. I focused on chin tucks, pulling the head straight back, not down. Wall posture drills, back, head, and hips against the wall. Shoulder retraction exercises. The goal wasn't tension. It was retraining my nervous system to accept a new neutral posture. At first, standing straight felt awkward and tiring. That's normal. Your body is resisting change. Within weeks, my neck stopped pushing forward automatically. My shoulders opened up. My chest lifted without effort. This is where most of the visible height returned. Step 3. Strengthen posture muscles. 2-3 minutes. Posture isn't held by stretching, it's held by muscle strength. I strengthened upper back, deep neck, flexors, core, and glutes. Simple exercises like walk, planks, face pulls, or band pull-aparts, dead hangs, glute bridges. No gym needed, no heavy weights. When these muscles got stronger, my posture stayed tall without thinking about it. You need 10 minutes a day, consistency, and patience. Fix your posture, and you don't just stand taller. You live taller.